Hi, this is Djalil from Joined with our Milan series. Today in this video I will show you how our MU16 will help you in various situations in combination with the L-Acoustics P1, which is a super comprehensive Milan processor and measurement platform for PA. Some of those situations could be audio playback on the PA during setup before any mixing console is running, PA calibration with audio between Milan and then your computer application like system measurement, acoustical analysis in real time. Monitoring, for example, amplifier audio input signals on the Milan network that are difficult to reach or to verify. Playback of a stereo or immersive audio for installation, DJs and events. Let's dig into how to set everything up. As you can see here guys, I have a Luminex switch with two Ethernet cable. One of these cables go to the P1 primary interface. The second one is going directly to our MU16. What we will do is we just need to power them up and then we can see them here in Milan Manager. So I will power them both and then it should take less than a second to see them here in the list of devices. Yeah, we can see now the MU16 and then we have the P1 in here. Now what we can do, we need to do a clock setup. So what we can do, we go in devices and then we go to the media clock. We make sure that the MU16 is in the PTP clock domain and it is the leader of the clock domain. Now we just go back and then we can make our connection. We can connect to the P1 so we can send our audio directly from the MU16 directly to the P1. Now there is no errors in the network, it seems all good, that's perfect. Now what we can do, now we can do a playback and verification. So now we can do a playback and verification. So we launch our playback software, I'm using Reaper here. This needs to be on the PC where our MU16 is connected. We need to go to options in here, we go to settings and then we need to make sure that the audio device is selected to the MU16. We need to make sure also that the sample rate is configured to the Milan sample rate. We can go back to Milan Manager, go to devices and then we can see here it's 48 kilohertz. We can use the 48 in here. For the buffer size we can use, let's say, 64 and then we do apply and then okay. Now what we can do is we can add an audio track in here and then we can just bring an audio file, put it there and we just play. We start playback now from our project and now we can check the input meters from the P1 and then we can see there is a level meters going on. I will show you now. And now as you can see here we are in the input meters and then in the AVB channel we can see clearly there is an audio received in here. If no audio is received, please verify both devices are still visible in the Milan Manager. Confirm that the stream connection and then clock status. Check the routing and the input-output settings in Reaper and MU16. You are more than welcome to ask questions below the video or on our email. We will leave it in the description below. We will do our best to answer questions on the thread, on email, and then in the future video. Take care and then see you in the next video.